So the next stitch I want to show you is the Samoan stitch or Samoan lace. So I've previously showed you how to do the lazy stitch, which is a wrap and then a row down, wrap and then a row down. These are all the lazy stitch, starting from the beginning. Then on this row, we did the Mariposa stitch with the teal color. And you could see that, how we went through once with the thread through the back. Now we're gonna do the Samoan stitch or the Samoan lace stitch. And it's very similar to the Mariposa. You just wrap. Just like you did in the lazy stitch. Wrap it till you get to your designated area where you want to put it in. So in my case, I'm matching it up with the lower stitches here. So I am going to go down between the two lower rows here, right in the middle, just like if you were doing the lazy stitch. Then you come from the back once. I'm holding it down tight because my needles are bending. Once, and then again twice. Can you see where I'm going? Just on the left side of that thread. So I am making the knot twice, going through twice. You can go through 3 times, 4 times if you want a bigger knot. And then you just continue wrapping. So it's just like the Mariposa, except you knot. You go around the middle stitch twice or 3 times or 4, whatever amount you choose. Let's do that once more. I'm just going to keep wrapping here. Now I noticed with this, I'm working with Sinew right now. This is artificial Sinew. It's really pretty. It's bright. It's easy to work with. It's easy to thread because it's waxed. The white does show a little bit of the needles. You can kind of see through. You don't notice it when looking far away. You just see white. But if you look up close, it almost looks like rice paper on top of it. But I still like the look and I've enjoyed working with it. I am using 1 arm's length. So here we go again. Samoan lace stitch. Just like the lazy stitch, wrap, and you're going to take your stitch down between the 2 lower coils right there. Kind of hung up back here. Okay. And then, just like the Mariposa stitch, you come around once from the back, and then you're going to come around twice, creating a larger knot. Sorry, I need 3 hands here. Creating a larger knot. And then you continue to go back up and over. Wrap, wrap, wrap. I'm trying to do this fast, so. Wrap. I think I'll redo this one when I'm done, because I see a little needle sticking out. So go as far as you need to go to get to the point you want to go down. So just like the lazy stitch, go down between the 2 lower coils. Then you come from the back, left side of that long stitch, go around once, go around twice. I don't want to lose my thread. Go around twice. Pull it tight. And there you have your Samoan lace or Samoan stitch all along here. Now see, my thread was a little thicker there, so it made a little bit larger knot, more noticeable knot. So on the Mariposa, we went through around the middle stitch once, and on the Samoan, you go around twice or 3 times or 4 times, whatever you would like. Okay, I hope that helps. Hope it makes sense. It's looking very nice. I'm enjoying working with Sinew. To me, it seems a little more natural, but it is an artificial Sinew. But it's easy to wrap with because it's flat and it covers more area quickly than the 2-ply wax thread. So you can use real Sinew, but I've heard that if you make baskets out of it, you have to be very careful because the animals are attracted to it and they might tear your basket up, and who wants that to happen? So I hope this helps. I'll post a little picture when I get all the way around here so you can see what it looks like and compare the differences and decide which stitch you want to use. Thanks for watching. Bye.